Description. In this ELT song-based activity, students talk about poverty and society's responsibility, watch a video in which people give their opinion, and do a listening exercise, discuss questions, read lyrics and talk about them and watch a music video. Step 1. 5 minutes. Write on the board, who is responsible for taking care of the poor? And have students give their opinions. Step 2. 5 minutes. Slide 1 of the Genially presentation. Students watch the video with 4 people answering the question in Step 1. First watch. Students put an X next to the right answers. Play the video twice. Step 3. 7 minutes. Slide 2. Second watch. Have a student read the questions, then ask students if they remember the people's opinions. Have them complete the gaps with people's names, then play the video again for them to check. Step 4. 15 minutes. Pair work. Breakout rooms. In pairs, students discuss the questions below. When they are back to the main room, have the pairs share their answers, have a mini-debate. Who do you agree the most with and why? Who do you disagree the most with and why? Step 5. 7 minutes. Slide 3. Screen share the lyrics to Dear Mr. President by 4 non-blondes and have students read it. Ask them to compare the ideas in the song with what they've discussed before. Step 6. 7 minutes. Ask students to guess which kind of music it is, slow, fast, happy, sad, music genre, etc. Then play the music video for them to check. Have students comment on it to close the activity. Optional homework. Students write a short text discussing the ideas in the lyrics, and saying if they agree or disagree with them and why. They must also say if they like the song or not, and why.
This song-based lesson plan idea is sure to spice up your classes. However, would you like to think, feel and act more creatively on your own to be able to turn any song you want into an engaging lesson plan? The ebook 10 Song Activity Ideas for ELT has more time-saving ideas that do the heavy work so you can focus on the most important, inspiring and motivating your students to learn creatively. See the link in the video description to access the ebook on promotional price.